Hello and welcome to today's video on investing for beginners. If you are new to the world of investing, it can seem daunting and complicated, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we will be walking you through the basics of investing and help you get started on your investing journey. Part 1. Why invest? The first thing we want to cover is why it's important to invest. Simply put, investing is the key to building wealth and achieving financial goals. It's important to invest your money to beat inflation and grow your wealth over time. Without investing, you risk losing the value of your money as inflation rises. Part 2. Setting financial goals. Before you begin investing, it's important to set financial goals. Ask yourself what you are investing for. Is it retirement, a down payment on a house, or a child's education? Understanding your goals will help you determine your investment strategy. Part 3. Types of investments. There are many different types of investments to choose from, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Each type of investment has its own level of risk and potential return, so it's important to understand the risks and benefits of each before investing. Part 4. Investing in stocks. One of the most popular types of investments is stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company, and their value can rise and fall based on the company's performance. When investing in stocks, it's important to do your research and select companies with a solid financial foundation. Part 5. Investing in bonds. Bonds are debt securities that are issued by companies, municipalities, and the government. Investing in bonds can provide a more stable and consistent return on investment, but the potential for growth is limited. Part 6. Investing in real estate. Investing in real estate can be a great way to build wealth over time. Real estate can provide both rental income and appreciation in value over time. However, it's important to understand the local real estate market and do your due diligence before investing in real estate. Part 7. Investing in mutual funds. Mutual funds are a popular investment option that allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. By investing in a mutual fund, you can reduce your risk while still taking advantage of the potential growth of the stock market. Part 8. Creating a diversified portfolio. One of the most important aspects of investing is creating a diversified portfolio. Diversification involves spreading your investments across different types of assets to reduce your risk. By diversifying your investments, you can reduce the impact of any one investment on your overall portfolio. Part 9. Understanding risk. Investing always involves some level of risk. It's important to understand the risks associated with each type of investment before investing. High-risk investments have the potential for high returns, but they also have a higher potential for loss. Part 10. Investing for the long term. Investing is a long-term strategy. It's important to be patient and avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term fluctuations in the market. By staying the course and focusing on your long-term goals, you can achieve financial success. Conclusion. We hope that this video has helped you understand the basics of investing for beginners. Remember to set your financial goals, do your research, diversify your portfolio, and invest for the long term. With a little patience and discipline, you can achieve financial success through investing. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.